Hey, what's up everyone? Ella here with another tech episode. Remember when I said on my last video, I think that the Pixel has super inbuilt stabilization, which is on par or even better than GoPro 7. Maybe I'll do a review on this. Well, if you are a GoPro fanboy, you probably catch up with super smooth, the hyper smooth feature that the new GoPro HERO7 Black has. But what you don't know is that the Pixel 3 XL has the ability to take smooth handheld videos. Let me explain. Google didn't outright mention this, but I remember reading an article from the AI blog. They call this technology as the Fused Video Stabilization, in short FVS. There are not many reviews that will compare these two devices, especially in terms of stabilization. So I was thinking, hey, why not, right? Why not do a stabilization challenge? And this is the outcome. So I met my buddy Kai at this beautiful bus race park to record this challenge. It was a really hot day that we nearly give up shooting. But hey, we always think of our subscribers. They are the ones that push us to create content, right? As you can see, I hook up both the devices onto a rig and center it on a Manfrotto Pixel Mini tripod. After that, I literally jumped and ran the whole park to record this challenge. For me, after reviewing the videos, I think the stabilization challenge goes to the winner, which is GoPro HERO7 Black. It being the king of stabilization all this while in the action cam industry. That being said, for a smartphone like Pixel 3 XL to have this cool smooth videos feature and comes with tons of features like a top shot, the night sight, everybody. Although I can see minor jitters and shakes while running with the Pixel 3 XL, it actually will work perfectly if I have better hand grip. I am glad that I get the Pixel 2 XL, which also have this feature, and of course the Pixel 3 XL. So what do you guys think of this challenge? Would you like to see more of this? You know, maybe a Sony action cam versus a GoPro Hero 7 Black? I don't know. Tell us in the comment. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. That's all for me. See you guys in the next video. Peace.